Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this one I'll show you how you can duplicate your text and also animate it. On my timeline I'm having a stock footage on which I'm making a razor cut so I can separate two clips, and in the beginning of the second one I want my text to appear. So I'm separating them, I'm highlighting the second one and I'm going to the Fusion tab. To make sure you're working with the correct clip, you can select the clip and then you can highlight the second one. In my case it is already highlighted, so I'm ready to begin to apply the effects. On my node 3 I'm having media in and media out, and while still my media in is highlighted, I can select the text icon so I can add the text plus icon, which will automatically be connected to merge one node. Next step is I can highlight this text node and then I can go to the inspector so I can insert my text. In my case I'm typing workout, and I'm also increasing the size of that text by increasing the values of size and changing the color. You can also change the font name. I'm gonna keep it as default on Open Sans. I'm just gonna change the style of that text to italic. And our next step is to make our text look more appropriate. So I'm going to effects, then going to effect, and then I'm selecting the duplicate, and this is automatically gonna be connected in between the merge node and the text plus. Before jumping to our duplicate node, you want to highlight the text, you want to go to layout, and you want to create a keyframe on center YX. You can do that by simply clicking on the diamond next to it. Then by using the right arrow of the keyboard I'm moving 3 frames ahead, and then I'm gonna increase the values of center Y until my text is on the bottom of the screen. In my case that is a values of 0.125. And so far we have changed the appearing of the text by going down on the screen. Then I'm going to the frame where this text is already in the bottom of the screen, and then I'm selecting the duplicate node. And the next step is going to inspector, and I'm creating a keyframe next to copies and center XY. Just like before, I'm clicking the diamond next to the section. And then I'm going back on the timeline and I'm moving 3 frames forward by pressing the right arrow of the keyboard. And then I'm jumping back to inspector and increasing the values of copies to 6. And also I'm increasing the values of center Y, of which in my case I'm gonna leave it on values of 0.68. So far we're having the duplicate text appearing, and then we want to decide when this effect is gonna end. So I'm gonna go further in the timeline and I'm selecting this part right here, and then while still the duplicate node is highlighted, I'm going back to the inspector and I'm selecting the keyframes next to center XY and the copies. This is gonna be our endpoint of them, and then I'm going 3 frames forward by pressing the right key on the keyboard. And then I'm going back to the inspector and I'm resetting the values of default on copies by making it 2, and also on center XY I'm setting them on 0.5. And then you want to highlight your text node and select the diamond next to the Y settings on center, then move 3 frames forward in the timeline, and then I'm gonna decrease the values of center Y until my text is disappearing from the bottom. In my case a values of minus 0.15 will do the work. And then I'm going back to the edit tab so I can preview the effect. And if this video was useful, make sure you like it, subscribe for more, and also you can check out this video right here. I'm pretty sure you're gonna like it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.